In this service video, we will explain how to change the drain valve on a Winston Collectramatic fryer. Before servicing any Winston equipment, including this fryer, make sure that the appliance is unplugged from its power source. Use your vice grip to remove the drain valve extension. Use your nut driver to remove the two screws holding on the drain valve mounting plate. Use your wrench to loosen the nut and remove the handle from the drain valve. Using your socket wrench, remove the drain valve from the bushing that is welded to the fryer. Use a liquid pipe sealant to ensure a good seal before installing a new drain valve. With the liquid sealant in place, hand tighten the drain valve and then use your socket set to ensure that the drain valve is completely tightened. Use your hands to put the screws for the mounting plate back in place, and use your nut driver to ensure that they're completely tightened. Reinstall the drain handle to the drain valve. Hand tighten the nut at first and then use your wrench to completely tighten the nut down. Now that your drain valve has been replaced, if you use a drain extension, you may reinstall that now by threading it on. This service job is complete. You can plug the appliance back into its power source and the fryer is ready to be used.